Welcome to Business Training Media. In today's video, we will explore 10 powerful PowerPoint presentation tips that will help you engage your audience, communicate your message effectively, and create visually appealing slides that leave a lasting impression. PowerPoint presentations are a crucial tool in the business world, education, and professional settings. However, too often, people create slides that are cluttered, visually unappealing, or overloaded with text. A poorly designed presentation can quickly lose an audience's attention, making it difficult to convey important information. In contrast, a well-crafted presentation enhances understanding, keeps the audience engaged, and makes your message more persuasive. Whether you are delivering a business pitch, an academic lecture, or a team presentation, knowing how to design and deliver a compelling PowerPoint presentation is a valuable skill. Stay with us until the end of this video, where we will share additional resources, including some of the top-rated PowerPoint presentation courses that can help you take your skills to the next level. Now, let's dive into our 10 essential tips for creating a killer PowerPoint presentation. Tip number 1, start with a clear message. Before you even open PowerPoint, take a moment to define the core message of your presentation. Ask yourself what key information you want your audience to take away. A strong presentation starts with a clear goal. Think about the purpose of your talk. Are you informing, persuading, or training your audience? By establishing a clear objective, you can ensure that every slide you create serves that goal. Avoid unnecessary information that does not contribute to your main point. Tip number 2, use a consistent design theme. A well-designed presentation should have a consistent look and feel. This includes using a cohesive color scheme, uniform fonts, and a structured layout. Choose a professional template that aligns with your topic and audience. A visually appealing slide deck creates a polished and professional impression. Be sure to use high contrast colors to enhance readability. For instance, dark text on a light background or vice versa makes content easier to read. Tip number 3, keep it simple. Less is more. One of the biggest mistakes presenters make is overloading slides with text. The goal of PowerPoint is to support your speech, not replace it. Each slide should convey a single key idea. Avoid large paragraphs and long sentences. Instead, focus on short, impactful statements. If you find yourself reading directly from your slides, that's a sign that there is too much information. The audience should be listening to you, not reading a wall of text. Tip number 4, use high-quality visuals. A great presentation uses visuals to reinforce key points. High-quality images, icons, and infographics can make complex ideas easier to understand. Instead of plain text, consider using diagrams, charts, and relevant images to illustrate your message. Avoid using low-resolution images, as they can make your presentation appear unprofessional. A visually rich presentation is more likely to keep your audience engaged. Tip number 5, make data easy to understand. When presenting numbers, statistics, or complex data, always aim for clarity. Rather than showing raw data in a table, use graphs and charts to highlight key takeaways. Simplify your visuals by focusing on the most important data points. Use contrasting colors to differentiate sections of a chart and bold key numbers that you want your audience to remember. If possible, limit each data slide to one major insight to prevent information overload. Tip number 6, master slide transitions and animations. While animations and slide transitions can add a dynamic touch to your presentation, they should be used sparingly and purposefully. Overusing effects can be distracting and make your presentation look unprofessional. Stick to simple transitions like fade in or appear to keep the focus on your content. Avoid excessive motion effects, spinning text, or unpredictable animations, as they can take attention away from your key message. Tip number 7, choose the right font size and style. Readability is crucial for an effective PowerPoint presentation. Choose easy-to-read fonts such as Arial, Calibri, or Helvetica. Avoid decorative fonts that might look stylish but are difficult to read. Ensure that the text is large enough for everyone in the audience to see clearly. Titles should be between 36 and 44 points, while body text should be between 24 and 32 points. This will prevent attendees from straining their eyes or losing interest due to unreadable slides. Tip number 8. Engage with storytelling. Facts and figures alone are not always enough to keep an audience engaged. Storytelling is a powerful tool that helps make information more memorable. Instead of just listing information, frame it within a compelling story. For example, if you are presenting business strategies, share a real-life success story. If you are explaining a technical concept, provide a relatable analogy. Stories create emotional connections and make presentations more engaging. Tip number 9. Use speaker notes and avoid reading from slides. Your PowerPoint slides should be a visual aid, not a script. One common mistake presenters make is reading directly from their slides. This not only reduces engagement, but also makes the presentation feel robotic. Instead, use speaker notes to guide you through key points while maintaining eye contact with your audience. When you speak naturally and interact with your audience, your presentation will feel more dynamic and persuasive. Tip number 10. Practice and rehearse before presenting. No matter how well you design your slides, your delivery will determine how successful your presentation is. Practice is essential to refining your timing, improving confidence, and ensuring a smooth flow of information. Rehearse your presentation multiple times, preferably in front of a colleague, friend, or mirror. Record yourself to identify areas that need improvement. Pay attention to pacing, tone, and body language. If possible, test your slides on different devices to ensure proper formatting and visibility. Taking your PowerPoint skills to the next level. If you are serious about improving your PowerPoint skills, we have compiled a list of highly rated online courses that can help you create more professional and impactful presentations. These courses have been developed by top experts in the field and cover everything from advanced slide design to storytelling techniques. We have included links to these courses in the description below, so be sure to check them out. If you found this video helpful, please support our channel by liking this video, subscribing, and sharing it with your network. Your support allows us to continue creating valuable content to help professionals enhance their skills. Thank you for watching Business Training Media. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.